Okay, hi. It's actually Sunday night here on the East Coast, and I just wanted to do this brief video before I go away on vacation for a couple of days. I think we had another good week in our forums, and so kudos to everyone for your good participation. Uh, I'm going to take the liberty of actually reading sort of a short script here so that I can do this video maybe without too many takes. Sometimes if I don't have a good script and good notes, I have to do the take 4 or 5 times, and I want to do this right the first time tonight. So I'm going to read a little bit so we can get this done well and concisely. Okay? Uh, First part I'm going to read actually is from the syllabus, and it describes week 3. And so I'll just say, so after 2 weeks, you should have a general idea of the sources of nonprofit revenue and the two main goals of financial management. Two main goals, yes, one is to ensure the financial sustainability of the organization, and the second goal is to adequately, or to the best I'll go to adequately, to adequately fund the operational strategies of the organization, which are intended to maximize mission. Okay, two main goals. We have also emphasized the importance of linking operational and financial strategies through some sort of planning, implementation, and evaluation process to ensure that the nonprofit will have the means to maximize its mission. And indeed, this linking of operational and financial strategies is one of 4 fundamentals upon which sound financial management rests. This week, we will look at 2 more of these fundamentals: organizational structure and financial policies and procedures. Okay, the point here is that you can't consistently make sound financial decisions for your organization or any nonprofit unless you are making them within a larger context and support system. Okay? And so what we're really trying to do here at the beginning of the course is to give you a good notion of what that context and support system is before we actually get into the mechanics of financial analysis and and the tools by which you understand the financial health of an organization. The other thing here is that we use the very simple assignment this week as a vehicle to do 2 other things. One, I want to make sure that all of you are familiar with electronic spreadsheets. A graduate level course is not the place to learn Excel or any other electronic spreadsheet, but you should become familiar with these types of software and these analytical financial tools because they are invaluable for making financial decisions. Okay? And the second thing the assignment hopefully does this week is to start our exploration of how a nonprofit's hard, cold financial numbers can actually tell you a very important story about the nonprofit. And we'll do that in one of the discussion forums this week by asking you to think about the Tri-City Academy, get a sense of who it is, what it is, its culture, how it operates, simply by looking at 4 months of data. Okay? And this last part about trying to understand that financial numbers tell a story about the organization. And if you work on some of the skills that we try to develop in this course, you'll be able to understand and hear the story that the financial numbers tell. It's really an important thing to understand. Numbers are only useful if you can understand their implication on the operations and financial health of a nonprofit. Okay? That's the end of my notes, so I think that's the end of my video. I'll be online Wednesday. If you need something before that, give me a call on the cell phone, 413-237-7475. Okay? Thanks.